This is the new 631 horsepower Audi Rs Q8 Performance. It's powered by a twin-turbo 4-liter V8 matched up to an 8-speed automatic transmission, and of course, Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system. The performance model's big power increase from 591 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque to 631 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque, according to Audi, is thanks to a new higher performance exhaust system. 0 to 60 time is listed at 3.5 seconds, but I'd expect the real-world number to be a bit lower if it is anything like the previous generation. It's got high-performance air suspension, anti-roll bars, 4-wheel steering for added stability, and you almost have to opt for the optional 23-inch forged wheels. 10-piston calipers with carbon ceramic rotors help to make sure that you can stop this thing as fast as you can get it going, and from a styling standpoint, I mean, it's Audi, and I personally love the look. It's got the new Matrix LED headlights, a fully redesigned front end with a back end that looks just as good, and of course, a high-end premium interior that just ties up the entire package.